Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Huawei Watch Band 10. First, unbox your new device and fully charge it using the included magnetic charger, which typically takes about 90 minutes for a full charge. Next, download the Companion Health application to your smartphone and create an account or login. Finally, open the application, navigate to Devices, and select Add Device to pair your watch band seamlessly via Bluetooth, following the on-screen instructions. Interacting with your Watch Band 10 is straightforward and highly responsive. You can effortlessly swipe left, right, up, or down on the full-color touchscreen to access various functions and menus. A short press of the side button brings up your comprehensive app list, while a long press usually initiates a specific function or powers off the device. You can quickly view incoming messages and control your music with simple taps, making daily tasks much easier to manage. Your Watch Band 10 offers comprehensive health tracking features designed to keep you informed. It continuously monitors your heart rate, providing data 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and alerts you to any unusual readings. It also tracks your sleep stages, detailing light, deep, and REM sleep, alongside wake times, helping you understand your sleep patterns. Additionally, the device counts your daily steps, estimating calories burned and distance covered, encouraging you to reach a target of 10,000 steps daily. Make your Watch Band 10 uniquely yours and stay connected effortlessly. You can select from hundreds of vibrant watch faces available in the Companion application, allowing you to match your style or mood. Easily customize which notifications you receive on your wrist, ensuring you only get important alerts. For incoming messages, you can even send quick, preset replies directly from the device. This personalization helps you manage your day more effectively and stay in tune with your digital world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.